Hello, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can add a background image in Premiere. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks a little different. So yeah, first you have to select the frame or section that you would want to edit. So for example, I would want to edit this section right here. So I will just go ahead and click it. And then now you will just have to go to the properties panel, which is right here, and then just go ahead and under the styles option you will see this right here, the fill or the image. And then what you will have to do is of course click image, and then now you can choose your image or upload whatever image that you would want. And then here you can adjust the position, the size, and repeat settings to fit your design. And then you can preview the page to see how the background looks. And yeah, finally you can just click publish to apply the changes live. And by the way, that's just it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope that it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.